I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Updating your billing information on Vodafone can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Vodafone website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate the billing section. Once logged in, find the billing or payments section in your account dashboard. This is usually labeled as billing or payments. Step 3. Select update billing information. In the billing section, look for an option that says update billing information or edit payment method. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter new details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new information, look for a Save or Submit button to confirm the changes. You should receive a confirmation message once it is updated. Remember, if you are using the app, the layout might differ slightly, so keep an eye out for similar labels. Good luck with your update, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.